Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to explain how to split a PDF document into single pages. First, we open the browser and go to the Aspose.PDF Splitter application. Next we upload a PDF file. Our file contains 6 pages with one image on each page. Next, click the Split button to start the process. The document will be split into single pages. You can download all pages as one zip file by clicking the Download button. So, we have 6 files, each of which represents one page of the source document. We can select the necessary pages and combine them into a new document. You can see the explanation of how to combine PDF documents and links for both applications in the description of this video. Thank you for watching and see you again.